lalo na sa mga kababayan natin abroad, na oo, may pera sila doon, pero wala silang oras para makasama, maging present sa pamilya nila.
For both of you, this is also from Mac Richard, Paglikawan from Lionheart TV. Personally, this is for Sir Leo and Miss Kim, what's the most meaningful thing you can give your family? Money, time, experiences, or simply being present? Ayan. So, money, time, experiences, or just being present. That's it for me.
I think of those, time and presence are kind of intertwined. And I think that would be my answer. And I think one of the trade-offs that when a Filipino goes abroad is that you don't have the ability to be physically present. But kind of in the same way that we talked about what home means to us, that presence can still be shown in the way that you think of others, the way that you send support, in the different everyday habits that stack for you to really help your family. I had mentioned my dad, and one of the things that I wish I had more time and more presence being there. And I think that's one of the things that is most meaningful. And when we think of how we help Filipinos be more present, we think about how our technology and our app makes it easy and easier and more accessible for you to be there for the ones that you love.
Thank you, Sir Leo. Miss Kim?
Ako naman, magkaiba naman yung lahat kasi kailangan natin sa buhay yan. Pera, oras, maging present sa pamilya, pero hindi lahat binibigay sa atin, unfortunately. Lalo na sa mga kababayan natin abroad, na oo, may pera sila doon, pero wala silang oras para makasama, maging present sa pamilya nila. Maswerte ka na lang kung meron ka lahat nun. Pero yung parang dalawang ano siya eh, may pera ka pero hindi ka masaya. Marami kang oras pero may problema ka din sa ano. Pero if you're lucky enough, sana meron ako lahat nun. Para lahat naman ng tao hinihingi yun. Pero dahil sa circumstances ng mga buhay-buhay natin, iba-iba naman ang takbo, mas mahalaga siguro ang time. Kasi hindi mo naman, yun na lang ang hindi mo maibabalik eh. Ang pera babalik, kikitain mo ulit, ganyan. Pero dapat wag mo gastusin sobra-sobra. Pero ang oras hindi mo mababalik. Yung nangyari kahapon, hindi mo nang mababalik yun. So, yun lang. Time talaga is very important. Para makapag-work ka pa, and at the same time, makasama mo yung family mo, and kumita ka ng pera.
I agree. Buti na lang din talaga yung World Remit when you send money, you save a lot of time. Because it's fast.
Fast, easy, reliable, and convenient.
True.
Yes.
And vegetables.
Okay, hindi vegetable ang word remit. Up.